Hello, my name is Norbert Simonis. Me and all of the experts of the Motivated Fit team are welcome you. First of all, you are mostly because of two reasons here on this page. One reason could be you are not feeling good in your own skin anymore. Like, every time when I take off my clothes, I'm feeling very uncomfortable. Or on the beach, in my holidays, yeah, there is still too much fat, or I have too less muscles, and so on. But matter of fact, you are not 100% satisfied. The other reason could be you are in some kind of level satisfied and other people are telling you you are looking quite good. What is your problem? They cannot understand you, but you want more. You know exactly there is so much more potential and so much more to accomplish for me. And probably you are asking yourself, why are out there always more diets, more gyms, and even more diets? Why are there always more coaches and people who know exactly what to do? But at the same time, we count much more overweighted and sick people in increasingly numbers. And for sure, you are already realized that companies want to bend the clients to their companies, but in a really bad way. Because if the, so to say, weight loss companies would give you what they promised and what the customers desires, a healthy and fit body, lifetime lasting, they would earn no more money because the clients would be satisfied. Healthy and fit customers who are not any longer in need of taking advantages of their services. And that will be simply the worst situation a company could be in. And that is why you have realized there is something really wrong. And now you are seeing this talking motivated guy there, and he should have now out of a sudden the on-point solution for it, or what? Yes, right. I can tell you straight away, yes. I will show you in the free tour in 5 videos how my clients, and that are thousands of it, reached their dream bodies and will maintain their dream bodies their whole life without giving up anything. And now you are seeing this talking motivated guy there, and he should have now out of a sudden the on-point solution for it, or what? Yes, right. I can tell you straight away, yes. I will show you in the free tour in 5 videos how my clients, and that are thousands of it, reached their dream bodies and will maintain their dream bodies their whole life without giving up anything. Yes. You hear it right, without giving up anything. And this is exactly the key. But this concept was not created overnight. I needed 30 adventurous years for it. I had to turn my weaknesses into my shining advantages. I had to transform my body and myself and my entire life. And I had to give personal coaches for over 15 years, as well online worldwide. And I had to reach the same what I achieved for myself with thousands of clients. I had to study. I had to open my own gyms in several different countries and in different continents. I had to break world records with my gyms. And I did it. And much, much more. And all of this was needed to create the perfect program with which I am able to give you instantly success by just giving it into your hand. But words are only worthy with results. Therefore, just watch the free tour and there are 5 videos and you will understand why you get betrayed out there, and you will understand how you achieve your dream body and how to maintain your dream body your whole life long without giving up anything. So just get the free tour, 100% free. There is nothing more to it. I know a lot of people and companies are trapping people, not me. The Motivated Fit success speaks for itself, and I only let results and success speak. I am straight on the point, honest. Free is free, and you can 100% just enjoy to watch the free tour. Just be excited because you will find out in the 5 videos how you get your dream body without giving up anything. No struggle at all. I'm looking forward to see you in the free tour. See you in a minute.